Welcome back to another Dynodaze video, something a little bit special that I know you guys will love. Oh, it's an EG Civic with something pretty special in there. Oh, nom 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 nom. Can't wait to hear this roar. It's a K24.
I like this.
You like it? All cars. Right, Civic EG in silver.
I like getting paid.
You like getting paid?
Yeah,
Oh, you like getting paid for mapping, yeah.
My favourite bit.
Yeah, so Civic EG got a K24 Frank swap. So it is a K24 bottom end with a K20 A2 head with DC5 cams. He's got the... Has he got the RBC inlet manifold on it?
Yes.
I believe he has, RBC inlet manifold. He's got a homebrew induction kit, which is 3.5 inch, which is great. I have no problem with that, and a velocity stack filter. It's got like a K-tuned manifold on it with a custom 3-inch exhaust. So all good mods, in my opinion. I think really the only way I think it would possibly improve it a little bit more than what we've already got would have been a nice set of drop-in cams, so be it Skunk 2 or Drag Cartel or something. I think we would have made a little bit more top end, but I mean, nevertheless, the grass really
available on the website.
He's going to keep saying available on the website now, isn't he? Yeah, so basically we bought VTEC in at 4.6. It made good power there, and revved it out to 8,000. We saw peak power about 7.7, 7.8, so we revved it out to 8,000. It obviously has got the K20 oil pump in there. He's got everything he needs, but like I said to him, revving it out would be of no benefit to this engine whatsoever with these cams, with that setup. So we've capped it at 8,000. I think he'd be happy with that anyway. Obviously, if he wants to make changes, we just had a little discussion through the window. If he obviously fits a set of drop-in cams, it'll lose some mid-range because obviously VTEC will become higher, around 5.250 is where they sort of prefer. But I think he'll make 10 brake at the top end and maybe able to rev out a little bit further if he chooses to.
Yeah, though, I think in the mid-range is where it's at for me.
I would, if it was me, I would rather keep the 10 or 15 brake in the mid-range than have 10 or 15 brake at another 250 RPM at the top. Because realistically, do you live there? I mean, obviously, if it was a sole purpose track car, I would probably say yes. But if it's a bit of a daily driver, a bit of a user, odd track day, things like that, then yeah, I'd probably want it more in the mid-range. But I doubt for 1 second it would be disappointed with that. I think we did 244 was as it came in on it. It got a base file on it. To be fair, was very lean. But he knew that anyway. He trailed it here and said he tried to drive it. And
that's why you added some fuel before.
Yeah, so I did add. I didn't do anything major with the fuel. I just dropped sort of 25% in across the whole board, and that got us a pull basically. AFR obviously was not necessarily consistent or brilliant, but at least it wasn't dangerously lean. Got a pull out of it, and we did like 244, just so we had an initial run, really, more than anything else.
A bit of a shakedown, make sure everything was working, isn't it?
Yeah, make sure everything's working. We're not getting any DTCs that we didn't want and stuff before we start tuning. Yeah, and then obviously we've tuned K Pro version 3 is what we've tuned on today.
Very nice.
Yeah, really happy. Shall we have a look at that graph?
Let's do it.
Okay, as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Plenty of power there. That mid-range gain's impressive. And we finish on 265 brake horsepower. Not bad at all. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. We've got plenty more to do today. As you can see, even in the background, there's an FO2 on Rain Simulator. Great game, that is, great game. And yeah, so thanks for sticking around. Code word K24, you know it. He's getting a new plate as well because obviously that says K20. But we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
See you later, guys.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.